Welcome to Ranch House, Authentic Mexican Barbecue. Hey, my name's David, and growing up in Southern California in our family business of authentic Mexican grocery and carnicerias and authentic Mexican kitchens, I often get asked to bring the food to the neighbor's birthday party and camping trips, which I love to do because chatting around the grill is my kind of thing. Hey, our goal is to get you authentic Mexican barbecue ordered online, delivered to your door, with simple instructions. We're gonna go through a little quick video here on how to cook it. Today in episode 1, we're gonna do authentic Pollo Asado. So hey, one of the most popular things we sell is marinated chicken. It's boneless, leg and thigh meat, skinless, boneless, marinated with authentic Mexican seasonings. Pollo Asado. Today we're gonna show you how to cook it. And it's about this easy. You take this out of the box, it shows up on your front doorstep. Just make sure, of course, that it's thawed, and you're gonna just dump it right in the pan that you're gonna cook it in. That pan we send to you, so you've got everything you need right here to cook your barbecue authentic Pollo Asado. So you've opened up your bag, your Pollo Asado is thawed out, you've put it in the pan. All you gotta do is put it on the grill. There's a couple simple steps we're gonna go over and you're gonna love it. So you've just put your chicken on the grill. Now you're just gonna let it sit. Of course, it's poultry. You're gonna wanna cook that to 165 degrees just for food safety. I'm gonna show you how to check that on the grill, and we're gonna do that right now. Once you've got it going, it's pretty simple. You just check it once in a while, flip it, make sure it's not sticking, pulls apart like this. And when you think you're about to 165, I just checked mine with my temp probe and we're good. You're gonna notice it's gonna start falling apart as you pick it up with your tongs. That's when I want you to put it on the grill. We're gonna mark it, we're gonna give it those grill marks. It's gonna pick up a little bit more flavor. We're using a gas grill today. You might be cooking this over coals. You could smoke this at a high heat, but this is where it's gonna pick up a little bit more of that barbecue flavor. So I'm gonna let it sit there for a minute. We're gonna get some nice grill marks on it. We're gonna flip it and it's gonna go back in the juice. So we've got this on the grill now. We're just gonna flip it. What this does, actually, this is an important part of the process. You're just caramelizing some of the sugars that are in our marinade, and that gives it a little sweet finish, but also getting the charcoal, the grill flavor. In this case, we're doing a gas grill, but it's on cast iron. So you're always gonna pick up some extra flavors with that in addition to the marinades. So we're flipping it right now. We'll let it go for a couple minutes, and then it's gonna go back into our pan that has the marinade and the juice in it. As you notice, 90% of the cooking is done in that pan, and that's why we end up with a super moist, super tender piece of authentic Pollo Asado. So our chicken's about ready to be put back into the aluminum container with all our nice marinade. You can see it's got some nice markings on it. That's what we want. And as we put it in, you can take this off after you're done grilling and you can actually shred it on a cutting board. I kind of just like to, as I'm putting it in, I'll just pull it apart in chunks like that, and then it's ready to go on a tortilla. That's the way I do it. You can chop it, you can shred it. The key is this should be tender enough to simply shred apart and be ready to eat at this point. So once your chicken's done, all you're gonna do is heat up some tortillas. We throw them on the grill. I just like to warm them up on the grill. Seems like a little thing, but again, you get a little bit of crustiness on them. You like your tortillas soft, take them off quick. I like mine just a little bit crispy with some brown grill markings on them. Okay, so once your tortillas are ready to flip, hey, you start to see them bubble just a little bit. That means they're ready to flip. You can see the brown coming in a little bit there. Oh, those are looking good. A little bit of bubbling means they're ready to flip. Now, once you flip them, you're just gonna let them there for 30 seconds maybe, and they're done and they're ready to eat. And that's when you can pull them off. Okay, so our chicken's cooked. We just grilled up and warmed up our tortillas, and we're ready to make a plate and eat. I just get like a little bit on there. You can serve this up for their guests. You can let them put their toppings on and do it how they want. Get it with that. Get a little bit of onions, little cilantro, and then we're ready for some salsa, little molcajete salsa, and right there's a meal. Authentic Mexican barbecue and plate, delivered to your doorstep. With just a few easy steps, you could have this ready for your family and friends. They'll be enjoying authentic Mexican barbecue. And that's how we do it at Ranch House, authentic Mexican barbecue, making it easy for you. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're ready to order up some of our authentic Pollo Asado, just go to Ranch House Mexican Barbecue. That's Ranch House Mexican, the letter B, the letter B, the letter Q.com, and we'll ship it to your doorstep.